Okay, you gotta love Amazon Prime. I just ordered this 2 days ago and it's here. Free shipping, free 2-day shipping and no tax. And this is an SB900 Nikon flash unboxing. And just from the heft of the box here, I can tell this thing is pretty substantial. Got a pretty good weight to it. In addition to the compartment in the bottom of the case here that contained these diffusers, there's also a belt loop right here on the back, and then below that is another compartment here that you can put the gels filters in. So this is a very nice comprehensive case. Flip case here in the back. And then right here in this bottom case is the diffuser and that other piece that came with it. I forget what they call that. But anyway, again, it's a nice case for just carrying everything. And this is a nice substantial belt loop. Some people complain that it's not a big enough belt loop to go on some camera belts, but it'll work on mine. Big enough for me. And you can slide the flash with the stand right into this case. There's a close-up of the battery compartment. Each battery has an individual slot to slide it in on. Very easy, very quick and easy to load batteries. And you can see the flash can swivel and adjust any way you want the head, and it's on the stand right now. Okay, I've loaded it with lithium batteries and we're going to turn it on here. Let's see. Okay. There it is, it just booted up, and looks like it's ready to go. So let's see if I hit this button, what happens. Yep, did a little test flash there. So I use lithium batteries, and not rechargeable, they're just lithium batteries, so they should give a lot of flashes, and they should give the proper amount of voltage, 1.5 volts each. Okay, I'm going to do some testing with it using the Creative lighting system and then using it as just a standalone camera top flash. And if I have any issues, I will let you know. If you don't hear anything else on the end of this video, then assume everything worked great. Okay, I've done some initial testing and I really like this flash. And I'll tell you what I like about it. I like this switch, because I'm going to be using this sometimes on camera for convenience sake. Just have it mounted on the camera and just be using it as a flash, bouncing off the ceiling or whatever. If you're moving around, if you're covering an event, you don't have time to put it off camera all the time. So I can just switch it into the on mode and use it just as an on camera TTL flash. Then I can quickly switch it into the remote mode there. You see that switch has a remote position. And then all of a sudden I can put it off to the side or have an assistant hold it off to the side and then use the on camera flash on my D700 to trigger this as an off camera flash. So just with a quick flip of the switch, not going into any menus or anything like that, I can do that on the fly. In events, you need to be able to do this stuff quick. Then if I want to make this the master to control other remote flashes, again, this switch, I can just switch it right into the master position. It's already set with the correct channel and so forth. For my SB900s, that would be off flash, off camera at that point. Then it can work as a master and control those. So I've got a lot of flexibility here just rapidly with the flip of a switch, which I really like, because when you're in the field covering an event, you don't have time to dilly-dally around with going into menus.